Sorry for the background noise, guys. This is a 2013 BMW 320ai. All right. This is the 5th generation, if I'm not mistaken. That will be from 2007 to 2013. And the problem is leaking. All right. So when it rains, the water is supposed to go through that hole. I don't know if you see it though. But I blow it with some air, pulse. And you see it's dripping. You see a drop? Alright. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna remove the visor. Okay. This guy right here. We got that one. Alright. For that bolt, it's gonna be the what is this? T25, alright? Right there. So right here to remove this guys, okay? You're gonna see this cover right here. Let me drop my flashlight. You're gonna see it right there, right? Like this. You put a lock pick through here and pull it, okay? I use this guy right here. Put it like this, pull it, alright? Now, that's not it. If you see inside, there's like, what you gonna, let me pull it out so I can show you better, alright? Alright, hopefully you can see this. You're gonna put it like this, sorry. Put it in there, push it up. Then it's gonna stay up. Then you're gonna come here. Like practically you're gonna put them together, okay? You're gonna put them together, then pull it a little bit, and it's gonna pop out, okay? Okay, that's a mechanism. There's no screws or for this like other cars, okay? If you don't want to leave this thing hanging, just disconnect it from here. Okay, but it would be easier to disconnect it because, you know what I'm saying, just squeeze it there. Alright. Okay, guys. So the problem is, it's not the hose. This hose is not. Is that it's coming from here. You see a drop over here? You see that drop is coming from there. So I'm gonna patch hole that with a it's right under the rail. Okay. It's under this rail right here. Okay. So when it overflow, it gets to here and then it drops, it starts leaking from there. So what I'm just gonna do, I'm gonna use some seal. I'm gonna paste it. I want to paste it over there. Okay, this plate. That plate. You see that metal thing? Right there. Let me see. I'm trying to give it to you. That. Okay. Right here. This part. That right there. You see the black and the silver? Right there. You're gonna have to like patch it with some paste, like sealing, okay? So alright, like I was saying, this part right here. You see how the water is coming from that part. So I'm gonna paste it. And yeah, very much. Cause I see hopefully it works. If it doesn't work, then BMW, I knew it though. So You see what it's all black? I patched that. Okay. And supposedly this thing right here, the yellow one or beige, whatever, this rubber is supposed to put some pressure on that black thing. Okay. Sorry for the focus. Supposed to put some pressure on that black thing so the water doesn't overflow. So, you know what I'm saying? To put some paste in, hopefully, you know. But I'm pretty sure it's going to work because it's me. Now I'm going to put everything back the same way you remove it, the same way you put it back. All right? Let me tell you about this plate. This plate, you're going to have to you pull it up here, right? You pull it. It's normal. Then you pull it this way. Then you pull it up. Okay. That's how you, remove this part. So when you put it back, you put this thing first like this. Push it really good down. Okay. You're going to hear a tap and then just tap it. Okay. We're going to pour the water. Should be Gucci. All right. No more lids through here. It's me, man. Hope you like this video. Hope you enjoy. Sorry for the background noise. You know where to find me. It's me, Astuo, Burung. Hey, support the channel. Shout outs to everybody that support the channel. Love your pause. With capital P, pause. And I'm gonna leave right here. Thank you for watching. Support the channel. Love you. Holla at your boy. Clack it now. Astuo, Burung.